Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So I made all these compilations to raise awareness that people can be contributors to this environmental phenomena of global warming and climate change. Some governments have committed to passing a Zero Carbon Act to reduce our greenhouse gases emissions, but it's up to us to make sure this happens. Every voice counts. So we can do something. It is not too late. Awareness is the start, and that is the purpose of these video compilations.
The people that walk down that side, people vienen para acá, eso es ahora. Baixa assim, baixa assim. Baixa assim, baixa assim, baixa assim, baixa assim. Baixa assim, baixa assim. Passa o poço, passa o poço. What?